funny video, sweetie.
What? Honey, I'm pregnant!
That's great news!
Yeah! My mom's pregnant! Oh! Are you ready to meet your sibling, Lily?
I guess.
Doctor entering. Who's ready to see if it's a boy or a girl? All right, let's take a look. Now watch the screen. Now there's the baby's head. It's looking pretty healthy.
Hey, Lily, over here.
What?
It's me, your brother, baby Max.
Really?
Mom, the baby's talking to me! Huh? Don't be silly, Lily.
According to my research, babies have been known to communicate with other people.
See, it's possible.
Yeah, and there's the body.
Oh, look how cute those little hands are!
Hey, you in there.
Oh, yeah, what is it, big sis?
If you're really my brother, when's my birthday?
February 31st, of course.
Hey, Mom, it really is my brother! He knows my birthday! What did we say about fibbing, Lily? Time out!
But I'm telling the truth.
Hey, I guess she's right. It is a boy. Congratulations.
I told you.
Oh, Lily got in trouble? That's kind of funny.
How's that, honey?
Great! Keep it up!
Oh, I'm kind of hungry. Hey, Mom, I want some Skittles.
I'm craving Skittles. Lily, hand me those Skittles. I don't know why I'm suddenly craving these.
Skittles! Hey, Mom, drink some soda.
I'm thirsty. Can you hand me that soda, honey?
What? Again? Dad's right there.
Your dad's busy.
Yep.
Fine, here.
Thank you.
Ooh, soda! Ooh. Ah, that was delicious. What's next?
I need to think of something or else this will never stop.
Dad, I'm still hungry.
Okay, sweetie. Here you go.
Oh, that pizza looks good.
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
Stop! Can your baby brother have the last slice?
Just one bite, okay?
Of course, just one bite.
So how was school today, honey?
It was good. Today we did arts and crafts, and then we had nap time.
Ah, oh,
Hey, Mom, can I have my pizza?
Sorry, your brother was really hungry.
Oh, Lily, it's okay. Here, eat some chips. They're good for you.
Fine.
Yeah, see?
Oh, they're kind of good.
Oh, Lily, can your brother have some chips?
He still wants more food. Oh, yeah, okay, sure.
Oh, thanks, Lily. You're so sweet.
Yeah, sure, Mom.
Open wide. Okay.
chips?
Keep it up. You're doing great, Lily.
Thanks, Dad.
Huh?
What's all that noise? You guys, keep it down. The baby's trying to sleep.
Oh, we're about to break our high score.
Oh, baby needs to sleep.
Oh, we'll just play another game.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys, keep it down.
Oh, sorry, honey.
Just listen to music.
I love this song.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Hey, Lily, can I borrow the AirPods? Your brother wants to listen.
Fine.
Thanks, hon.
Can't believe he took my AirPod. Oh! Book songs. Let me turn the volume up 100%.
So loud!
Huh? Lily change the song back.
Nope, it's my playlist.
Oh, I forgot I had a fishing trip, honey. I gotta go.
Oh,
I just need to get creative. I just need to tie this hook to the fishing line. Oh yeah.
hey Mom, here you go. Huh? What's this for, Lily?
You can use it to grab whatever you want. Try it.
Okay, let me try. Got it!
Yeah, it works. Now you can get everything yourself. Finally, we can watch your video in peace.
You want to watch videos in peace, huh? Hey, Mom, let's eat some chips.
Huh, Pringles sound pretty good right now.
Lower, lower, up to the left. No, oh no, back to the right. Come on, oh, right now.
Hey!
Oops, sorry, Lily.
Mom, watch where you're swinging that.
Let me try again.
Whoa! Mom, you knocked everything over.
Sorry, this is hard.
I'll just help you.
Oh, thanks.
Got you.
Mom, Dad, I'm ready for my bedtime story.
Mom, Dad?
Where are they? Mom? Dad? Huh?
Lily?
I've been waiting for my bedtime story. What is that?
Oh, we were just reading the baby a story.
What? But what about me?
Sorry, honey, we just forgot.
Yeah.
I can't believe they'd rather read to the baby than me. Oh, can I read the baby a book?
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Aww.
That's so sweet, Lily.
This should scare him. The little boy was walking through a dark, dark forest when the spiders came out.
Oh, spiders.
Spiders?
That's too scary for the baby.
But this is my favorite book. And the snakes and the crows started chasing the boy down the road.
It's actually kind of soothing.
Oh, teddy bear, I love you forever.
Lily, we need to talk. We need to make some room for the baby.
What?
So the bear needs to go. It's only temporary, I promise.
It's all your fault. At least I still have you, Crafty Cat.
Oh, Mom, I want that too.
Oh, that would be so cute for you, brother.
No, it's mine.
Oh, come on, Lily. You need to share.
Okay. But can I wrap it for him first?
Oh, that's so sweet. Okay.
I'm gonna replace Crafty Cat with this bear. This should be good. Now just wrap and tape. And done. Mom will never know. Here you go, baby Max.
Oh, thank you, Lily. He's gonna love it.
You're welcome. I'm gonna go watch TV now.
Aw, Max, do you like it?
This isn't Crafty Cat.
Hi, everyone.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.